Morning students, welcome in your channel Prayas Academy. So today's lecture is about some remaining chemical reaction in chapter first. Okay, now we start the lecture. First, exothermic. What is exothermic reaction? Chemical reaction in which energy is evolved. What is mean by evolved? If you see the example, then you understood. Is called exothermic reaction. Means during the reaction, the energy is given out. For example, if we take example nitrogen plus hydrogen gas. Here nitrogen and hydrogen are reactant and make a new compound ammonia. During this reaction, 92 kilojoule energy is evolved, means given out. So this reaction is exothermic reaction. Okay. If we take another example like carbon plus oxygen gas, then it will be make carbon dioxide, and during this reaction approximate 393.7 kilojoule energy is evolved or given out. So this is the definition of chemical reaction. I hope you all are understood. Now we talk about endothermic reaction. What is endothermic reaction? A reaction in which energy is absorbed. Energy is absorbed. Is called endothermic reaction. For example, if we take example of carbon plus sulfur, then make a product CS2, and during this reaction 92 kilojoule energy is absorbed, not evolved. So it is the little difference between endothermic or exothermic. If we take another example, nitrogen plus oxygen gas, and it will make nitrogen oxide, and approximate 180.5 kilojoule energy is absorbed. So this is the definition of endothermic reaction. Now write it down in your note copy. The third reaction, the third reaction is oxidation. What is oxidation reaction? Oxidation and reduction have a very little difference. What is the difference? Watch it out. A chemical reaction. A chemical reaction in which a substance gain oxygen, a substance gain oxygen, is called oxidation. Reaction. For example, if we take example of magnesium plus oxygen, it will make magnesium oxide a compound. Here we easily see that magnesium and oxygen are reactant and make a new product, magnesium oxide, where oxygen will gain by magnesium. Means here magnesium attach with oxygen and make magnesium oxide. So here magnesium is oxidized. So this reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Okay. Now the turn on reduction. The chemical reaction in which a substance loses oxygen is called reduction. For example, if we talk about the example here, copper oxide plus hydrogen gas. Here copper oxide plus hydrogen gas are reactant and make a product, copper plus water. Then it is clearly show that copper oxide change into copper and oxygen will attach with hydrogen gas. So in this reaction copper oxide is reduced. So this reaction is called reduction. Okay. Now एक नाम और होता है redox. In this reaction reduction and oxidation both are carried in same reaction. If we see that example where copper oxide plus hydrogen gas, here copper oxide will change in copper and hydrogen is changed in water. So the both process are happening in one reaction. So this reaction is also called reduction. Means एक ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन दोनों साथ साथ हो रहे हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ पर हो रहे हैं. कॉपर ऑक्साइड कॉपर में कन्वर्ट हो जा रहा है और हाइड्रोजन गैस वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो रही है. क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन गैस में ऑक्सीजन अटैच हो गई है तो वो वाटर बन गया और कॉपर ऑक्साइड से ऑक्सीजन निकल गया तो वो सिंपल कॉपर बच गया. तो ये रिएक्शंस हैं आपकी, इनको आपको समझना है. ओके, आई होप आप सबको क्लियरली समझ में आया होगा. तो इनको अपनी कॉपी पर राइट इट डाउन करिए, इनको समझिए। अगर इनसे रिलेटेड कोई इश्यू है, कोई क्वेश्चन है तो कमेंट करिए। चैनल को देखते रहिए, लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए। थैंक यू।